You know, we had an accident 3 years ago. I was recommended to see Attorney Ross Moore. I was in Oakland City, Atlanta, Georgia. I was traveling north on Oakland Drive. The lady that hit me, she just turned around immediately in the middle of the road. And I ran. I tried to dodge it, but I hit her rear end of the car. I hurt my neck and my lower back, so I had to take treatment for 3 months. Started feeling a whole lot better. Well, he did. I was able to get scheduled for my medical. Plus, I didn't have any problems getting my truck, anything prepared. Everything worked out beautifully. But the best things about it is promptness and straight word. When they're straight with you and they honest, I like that part. I'm satisfied with what I got for the proceeds and medical treatment and my truck repair. I'm really satisfied. Tell them thank you so much for taking my case over and taking it to the very last end. I definitely appreciate it. I would. I recommend this law firm to anybody that may have an accident. Hopefully they don't have an accident, but I will.
Yeah, don't we all hope that?